Hello Odoo users and welcome to our channel. Today we will see how to export the customers from Odoo database to Zoho. So let's have a look at it. As this application is downloaded as a Zoho connector, we will open it and create the instances as we saw in the first video. And now we will see how to export the customers. So I will explain you two basic things. The customers will be exported in two ways. And whenever you export the customers, the log will be generated over here. If there will be any errors for the log, you will go to the logbook line and see the errors. Otherwise, the logbook will have all the processes that we have done for the export, along with the time and date that you can see it over here. So let's go and start exporting the customers. So let's create a contact over here. Now we will add some address details. Select the city, the code, state, and phone numbers. And here is the details completed. So this is our main contact and the address is mentioned over here. Now there is another thing that is called contact and address that you can see it over here. These are the child contacts. So if we have added the child contacts over here in the contact section, it will be considered as the primary or the secondary contact in the Zoho books. So let's add one over here. We will add the phone numbers as well. Let's save and close. I will add another one as well so that we can have the difference. So I will select the contact and again add one contact. And again, I will show you one more thing, that is a delivery address. So if we have added the delivery address over here, that is different than the main address. The shipping address will be considered as this one in Zoho Books. Otherwise, this address will be considered as the billing and shipping address both. So I'm adding a different address over here to show you the difference. Let me save and close it. So here I've added three different things, that is two different contacts that are child contacts for Odoo and address as well, that is a delivery address. So let's save it. Now if I want to export this contact, I will go to the action button and go to export customer to Zoho. And in case if I want to export more than one customer, I will go back and create the list view. Here I can select the contacts, again go to action button and export it to Zoho. This is how you can export the customers individually. Now let me go to my contact first and export it. So here I will go inside my main contact, go to export to customer and select the instance and export it. Now as I've exported the customer, we will go to the Zoho connector, go to the logbook and the log will be generated over here as you can see for a particular time and date. And the error message is not there, so it is successfully exported. Now let's go to Zoho Books, go to Sales and Customer. So here you can see the customer is exported. And as you can see, 𝗙𝗘𝗦𝗧𝗨𝗥𝗘𝗦 was the name that I've added in my contact list. So let me show you the same. It is considered as my primary contact. Here you can see it is the primary contact. It is added it over here along with that number and mobile number. So that is what I've added over here. Next is the billing address. So 𝗙𝗘𝗦𝗧𝗨𝗥𝗘𝗦 billing address is the main billing address that I've added over here. That you can see it over here. This is the main address that is exported. Next is the shipping address, which we have added in the delivery address. That is this one. It will be considered as the shipping address. So shipping address will be given the priority over the main address. And other contact person details will be added over here, as you can see. And all the logs are generated over here as well. So this is how the customer will be exported from Odoo to Zoho. Now, in case if you want to bulk export your customers, you will go to Zoho Connector, go to Operations, select Export and Export Customers and execute it. As you execute the same, all the customer is a unique in Odoo database and not in Zoho will be exported automatically and with in bulk. So we have seen the two process. First is exporting the customer individually in the list view and the third in the bulk. So there are three ways you can export the customers and here the logs will be generated of the same. So let us know if you face any issues while you export the customer. Our team will be there to help you out. Thank you. While doing this process, if you face any issues or if you are stuck anywhere, don't hesitate to write back to us at support@vrajatechnologies.com. Our support team will be there to help you out anytime. Thank you.